Grow big breast fast with Breast Actives. Overview of Breast Actives, the all-natural way to increase breast size without surgery at home. In this overview, before we go into details about this product, we want to quickly go through several things you should know before spending your money on this product. We want to make sure you understand how it works, who can benefit from using it, dosage, and directions for use, what you should and should not do when using Breast Actives, why we think it is one of the best at-home natural breast enhancement programs out there, side effects if any, money-back guarantees, and the official website where you can find it, plus discount and free sample offers and more. There will be a link to the official website in the descriptions below. Breast enlargement surgery is a well-known way to increase your breast size. Most women think it's the only option on those days when they're unhappy with their body. But surgery is such a drastic measure. If you're looking to enhance your breast size more naturally, this Breast Actives review is probably for you. You can change your chest size without harmful chemicals or drastic surgery with a simple 3-in-1 solution. Breast Actives is a 3-step formula that is completely formulated with 100% natural ingredients, providing you with curvier, firmer, and bigger breasts. This 3-step breast enlargement system comprises breast enhancement pills, breast enhancement creams, and an exercise program that delivers comprehensive results. Being a complete breast enlargement program, Breast Actives is currently ruling the market. What is Breast Actives? Launched back in 2002, Breast Actives is still like the hotcake to a number of women around the world. Breast Actives is a complete enlargement program for women, consisting of breast enlargement pills, breast enhancement cream, and the most effective workout programs that you need to perform regularly for a scheduled time. The idea of breast exercises to enhance breast size has been proven scientifically to be very effective. In a 2000 study published on PubMed titled Non-Surgical Breast Enlargement Using an External Soft Tissue Expansion System shows how 17 women ages 18 to 40 who participated in the study all received a significant enhancement of their breast size at the end of the study. Based on a natural and herbal formula, you can grow big breasts fast with Breast Actives. It's designed to make a woman's breasts firmer and larger from a holistic perspective. How does Breast Actives work? Breast Actives' effectiveness comes from the ingredients used to create the formula. Wild tan, thistle, kelp, dandelion, watercress, dong quai, Pueraria mirifica, fennel seeds, wild yam, kernel extract, red clover, fenugreek, and more. This formula, like most other products in the category, works by using ingredients whose main function is to mimic hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and prolactin, causing your body to react. Estrogen and prolactin signal the body to grow breast tissue, retain fluid, and prepare for lactation. Ingredients that mimic these hormones or cause an increase in the production of the actual hormones can result in tissue growth in the mammary gland. The Breast Active Cream helps in raising the blood circulation in your breast tissue. It helps maintain your breast cells' health, whereas the exercise program is added to boost the efficiency of both the supplement pills and cream. Who can benefit from Breast Actives? You will benefit from Breast Actives if you are troubled by any of the following issues. Your breasts are small for your body, and for that reason you are unhappy about your body image. You have micromastia, a condition in which the breasts do not develop fully during or after puberty. Your breasts have lost volume, shape, and firmness after breastfeeding or substantial weight loss. Your breast is of normal size, but you want a bigger breast. Dosage and directions for use. Take 2 Breast Actives pills each day for a daily dose, but make sure that you don't take the 2 pills at the same time. Take one after breakfast and the other one after dinner every day. Take the pills with plain water or with fresh fruit juices. Do not use carbonated beverages and caffeine to take the pills. Restrict the consumption of tea, coffee, and cokes while you are under treatment with breast actives. For the cream, you are suggested to apply the cream once a day. The most suitable way to apply the breast enhancement cream is after your bath. Hold bottle upright and pump 3 drops of Breast Actives cream. Massage the cream into your breasts for 1 minute. At this time, the skin pores remain more open, and if you apply the cream then and massage gently, the cream will reach inside the skin and work easily to enhance and help you grow big breasts. Massage around your breasts and rub gently. Remember not to apply too much cream. You need to keep in mind that your breasts will not get in shape overnight no matter how much cream you do apply. Complete the breast enhancement exercise program daily. What makes Breast Actives best among all? Various factors make Breast Actives the best option to grow big breasts fast. It comprises a 3-step prominent solution that no other breast enlargement treatment offers. It is the only product that helps to increase breast size by 3 dimensions naturally. The Breast Actives ingredients are 100% natural, making it different from other products. It includes some ingredients like fennel seeds, blessed thistle, and dandelion root that are not available in any other natural product or hormone pills for breast growth. Being a natural product, it does not possess any side effects on your skin or your body. Restrictions on its use. Doctors recommend not to use Breast Actives when you are pregnant or breastfeeding your child. If you are pregnant, forget about using the cream. If you are using other supplements or under medication for other health issues, make sure you consult your doctor before starting your breast-shaping journey with Breast Actives. Guarantee, return, and refund policy. Breast Actives guarantees the effectiveness of which it speaks. This is the reason the company offers a return and refund policy for the users. Customers are at the liberty to contact Breast Actives customer support team if they don't like the product to arrange a refund. Terms and conditions, however, apply. Generally, customers are free to return any unopened, unused package within 90 days of purchase. No questions will be asked, and the money will be refunded to the provided account of the customer within a short span of time. Breast Actives pricing and bonuses. Ordering Breast Actives has been made easier with Breast Actives' official website, where you can buy effortlessly with just a few clicks from anywhere in the world. First of all, before you decide to buy, you should make sure you're buying Breast Actives from the official websites. There are many fake or low-quality Breast Actives out there. The product is sold in 3 packages. These special discount options are available for you right now. Best value. Buy 3 boxes and get 2 free. That's a 5 months package at $35.97 US, a discount of 34% per box plus free shipping. Tier 2 package. Buy 2 and get 1 free for a 3-month plan, and it costs $119.90, $39.97 per bottle at a discount of 38% plus free shipping. Buy 1 box for a 1-month trial supply at $59.95 US, a discount of 40%. Final thought. Now it's your turn to decide whether or not to go with Breast Actives' breast enlargement program. There is absolutely no reason why you should not give this a try if you truly want to grow your breast fast and have firm, lifted, and enlarged boobs that can enhance your appearance. Hopefully your breast enhancement journey with Breast Actives will bring you wonderful results at the end. For reference,